bitch, I'm a bad boss bitch. Reckless, unapologetic. You took me down, left my side, now you're coming back. So stupid.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Elina Midikira. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back here. On today's video, I'm going to clean my kitchen. As you can see, it's dirty and things are all over the place, so I'll just be cleaning it and then making some lunch after. So you watch to the end. I won't be speaking too much because my voice is almost over. I have catch a cold, so I won't be speaking too much. Yeah, so before I go, I would like to shout out this beautiful lady. Her name is Pretty Mary Maina. I'll leave her channel name here so that you can go there, watch her videos, subscribe to her channel if you like her videos. She does videos about cleaning, lifestyle, motherhood, and everything in between there. She has 2 channels, so I'll just leave the names below and you go and check her out. Yeah, so if you watch and you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and share me out if you can. And I'll talk to you at the end of the video if my voice will still be here. Enjoy!
And melts away. Need to beat the sleepy sweet heat. My friends call it all like to meet it. So you see, and I need a grease. It's a dinner under the olive trees. The brittle clink, the deep red drink, the cocktail chatter in silver ink. A single glance, summer romance, an evening entirely up to chance. One night to dance away under the bright moonlight, taking lost in the magic of your eyes. Oh, but it's only for the night. One night, within a moment everything collides. It's all exactly how the film's described. Oh, but it's only for the night. Oh, one night I wake up and blink open both my eyes. All I see are the pastel-colored skies. I guess there never was a night. It seems that it was nothing but a summer dream. I fell asleep under the sunshine beams. Then again, there's always the night. One night, within a moment everything collides. It's all exactly how the film's described. Oh, but it's only for the night.
She don't like her boyfriend, hit me on the weekends. Her and all of my friends go out on the weekends. She don't like her boyfriend, hit me on the weekends. Her and all of my friends go out on the weekends. I feel like I'm Steve Lacy, putting my heart on a low-fi beat. I don't know how to play guitar, but the ladies love Mars and this little shawty love me. I could drop the drums to see you fly back and forth and through the sky. But I'd rather go back to the things I know, where the sun shines down and the night's not cold. Cause you are playing with my heart, I don't know why. Yo, man, he is not the guy for you. We know it's true, you can do so much better. So come on over, baby, text him back a secret. You can take a rest, girl, you can let your hair down. You give it to me if you really wanted to. You can take a rest, girl, you can let your hair down. Can you kiss me softly? Won't you, won't you? She don't like her boyfriend, hit me on the weekends. Her and all of my friends go out on the weekends. She don't like her boyfriend, hit me on the weekends. Her and all of my friends go out on the weekends. She don't like her boyfriend, hit me on the weekends. Her and all of my friends go out on the weekends. She don't like her boyfriend, hit me on the weekends. Her and all of my friends go out on the weekends.
Baby, when I talk too fast, you never listen. I just wanna be that guy, but I feel distant. I wouldn't cry no more, cause I don't feel familiar. Oh, familiar. Baby, when I talk too fast, you never listen. I just wanna be that guy, but I feel distant. I wouldn't cry no more, cause I don't feel familiar. Oh, familiar.
You better text me back when you get home, cause I wanna know you're safe. I wanna know your ways. I wanna see your face, but I know that you can't, and I know it's okay. I don't care, I don't mind. Tell that man what I said. She don't like her boyfriend, hit me on the weekends. Her and all of my friends go out on the weekends. She don't like her boyfriend, hit me on the weekends. Her and all of my friends go out on the weekends. I feel like I'm Steve Lacy, putting my heart on a low-fi beat. I don't know how to play guitar, but the ladies love Mars and this little shawty love me. I could drop the drums to see you fly back and forth and through the sky. But I'd rather go back to the things I know, where the sun shines down and the night's not cold. Cause you are playing with my heart, I don't know why. Yo, man, he is not the guy for you. We know it's true, you can do so much better. So come on over, baby, text him back a secret. You can take a rest, girl, you can let your hair down. You give it to me if you really wanted to. You can take a rest, girl, you can let your hair down. Can you kiss me softly? Won't you, won't you? She don't like her boyfriend, hit me on the weekends. Her and all of my friends go out on the weekends. She don't like her boyfriend, hit me on the weekends. Her and all of my
So guys, I am done with the dishes and I thought let me clean this cooker before I use it to cook lunch. As I said earlier, I won't be deep cleaning, I'll just be wiping off the dirt so that it can be a bit presentable, then make my lunch. Today was not the day of deep cleaning because this day is when I'm arriving from the village from my grandma's burial, so I was still tired. I just wanted the place to look presentable, not that clean, so that's why I wasn't doing too much to it. Yeah, so if you have watched to this part, thank you so much, and I hope you continue enjoying.
You in my hair, with an elegant flair. Lip gloss giving me a definite glare. Surely all this shimmer will be catching your stare. Me and my girls blind eyes as we pull up unaware. How about the whips, the little go click. Camera flashes, we take pic after pic. Sip on some neck, then rock our hips. That is our favorite wickedness. And you enter in, and we get to whispering. You're the center of attention. Cause I heard you be at this business party, so I got all dressed up so you could spot me. No, you're not checking for just anybody, but you want me and all that I embody. So I RSVP to the business party. Got all dressed up so you could spot me. No, you're not checking for just anybody. You want me and everything that I embody. Ain't just my dress is making an impression on you. My aura is infectious and it's effortless to you. In my discretion, we can leave and get into something new. Somewhere in town, we can hide out. Looking for someone that's less of a crowd. Just say the word, baby, I'm down. Baby, I'm down to do whatever you wanna do. Cause I'm so into you. Affirmations coming true. Cause I heard you be at this business party, so I got all dressed up so you could spot me. No, you're not checking for just anybody, but you want me and all that I embody. So I RSVP to the business party. Got all dressed up so you could spot me. No, you're not checking for just anybody. Want me and everything that I embody. Dim lights, show it all nice. Let's take this small bed at your place on mine. Don't keep LA waiting outside. Make up your mind. No hesitating. That would be devastating. If I've been pontificating.
I always prefer the floors to be the last thing that I clean, so that when I mess from washing the dishes or cleaning the cooker, I can wipe it off easily, instead of starting with the floors and then going to wash the dishes or cleaning the cooker or anything above, because I am a messy cleaner. I'll just pour water all over. That's why I prefer washing the floors the last thing.
Late July with the sun up high, the cicadas sing as the weeks drop by. I read all day in a hammock sway, time like molasses and melts away. Need to beat the sleepy sweet heat, my friends call it all like to meet it. So you see, and I need a grease, it's a dinner under the olive trees. The brittle clink, the deep red drink, the cocktail chatter in silver ink. A single glance, summer romance, an evening entirely up to chance one night to dance away under the bright moonlight. Take it lost in the magic of your eyes. Oh, but it's only for the night, one night. Within a moment, everything collides. It's all exactly how the film's described. Oh, but it's only for the night. Late July with the sun up high, the cicadas sing as the weeks drop by. I read all day in a hammock sway, time like molasses and melts away. Need to beat the sleepy sweet heat, my friends call it all like to meet it. So you see, and I need a grease, it's a dinner under the olive trees. The brittle clink, the deep red drink, the cocktail chatter in silver ink. A single glance, summer romance, an evening entirely up to chance one
So guys, this is the final look. I am finally done with cleaning the kitchen. As you can see, it's clean, not that sparkling clean, but at least it's presentable, and now I can cook with peace, and the kitchen is looking clean and tidy, not as it was. So let's just get straight to the cooking parts. Yeah. So for today's lunch, I'm just making some sukuma wiki and ugali. So this is the most affordable. It used to be the most affordable meal in Kenya. Right now, the ugali is so expensive. It's expensive. People prefer eating other things rather than that. But this is what I eat, and I love it. Do you like eating ugali and sukuma without meat? Tell me in the comment sections as we come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment if you like, and share me out. And bye bye.
But it's only